After you create your customer codes, you can view list of customer codes. You can view your quotations from customers, transactions, customer codes. In this screen, you can view your customer quotations. You can view customer name, document number, customer reference, date, total, printed, status. If you want to customize this view by clicking this Customize Grid button, you can edit the Customize Grid. If you want to include any column, you can tick that column, and if you want to remove any column, you can untick that column. After that, save. Ticked columns will display here. You can view the number of transactions in this list, and you can sort by ascending or descending order by clicking these headings. If you want to search any document, you can search, type here and click search. You can filter transactions. You can sort by multi-column. You can export to CSV file. And you can view quick reports. And you can view the status of these quotations. There are few status: pending, expired, accepted, declined, invoiced, like that. Accepted means if you after you send the quotation to your customer will accept that quotation. If the customer accepted the quotation, status will change to accepted. And if the customer declined the quotation, status will change to decline. You can open the quotation and you can change the status. We'll try one example. Open the quotation, select option. After you select the options, you can see in that menu accepted, decline, those options available. So you can change the status accepted or decline. There's another status that expired. After you send the quotation, there will be a quotation expiry date. So if your expiry date exceeded, that status will automatically change to expired. And if you invoice or if you convert any quotation to invoice, then status will change to invoice. By clicking actions, you can convert the quotation to invoice by selecting create invoice. Next, by clicking these actions, you can preview the quotation, print, email the quotation, and you can edit, delete quotation. You can update status. You can convert quotation to invoice or sales order. And if you want to copy the quote, you can copy the quotation. Same details will display. No need to enter details again manually. Then view history. You can view history of this quotation. Next, you can see there are few inactivated buttons. By ticking this any code, those buttons will activate. So you can delete, if you want to delete more than one quotation, you can select those quotation and delete. You can select quotations and print, you can select quotation and email, and you can select quotation and update the status.